Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to subscribe for X Premium on your mobile phone step by step. If you want to access premium features like blue checkmark, post editing, longer posts, higher visibility and monetization tools, this guide will walk you through the entire process using your phone. Whether you're a content creator, business owner or regular user, subscribing to X Premium helps you unlock advanced features and grow faster on X. This tutorial works for both Android and iPhone and is beginner friendly. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So the first step you have to take is to open your X or your Twitter app, or you can log into your X account on your browser. So once you're on the home page, you can see here's the home page. What you have to do is to tap on the profile icon at the top left. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it right away. You have to tap on it. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see premium. You can see it right there. That's the third option. So let me go ahead now to tap on premium. You can see premium right there. Then right here, what you have to know is that there are two plans, monthly and annual. And annual is actually cheaper. It will cost you more to pay monthly than annually because there is a general cut down on the annual price since you're paying for a whole year. And as you can see there, we are monthly is selected. So what I will do now is to tap on annual. So let me tap on annually. You can see now we are on the annual plan, but before I go forward, let me get to say this. I said we have two plans, annual and monthly. We also have three categories, which are basic, premium and premium plus. Premium plus has the highest features, followed by premium, then lastly the basic. So we're going to go through all of it right here. So we're going to start with the premium category, which has more features than the basic. You can see all you're going to get in the premium category. It says everything in basic. So you're going to find all the features in basic right here, and also you're going to find the following, which include verified check marks, enhanced group access, advanced analytics, less ad in your feeds, boosted replies, write articles, get paid to pay, and creator subscription and X Pro. So these are what you're going to get under the premium. Let's go over to the basic. Right here in the basic, you can see the features you're going to get: small reply boost, bookmark folders, highlight tab, edit post, create longer post, customize your experience. So all of these basic features, you're also going to find it in the premium features above. So take note of that. Let me scroll down now to the next one, which is the highest one, the premium plus. So you're going to get more features here. You see, you're going to get everything in premium and the following. So all the features in premium, you're going to get it here plus the following, which include fully ad-free, super group, handle marketplace, highest reply boost, and radar advanced search. So guys, you can see let me scroll upwards now so I can go back to the monthly. I want to subscribe under the monthly. So we are back now to the monthly. So what I'm going to do now is to subscribe under the premium category. You can see there is a 50% discount. Normally I'm supposed to pay 7,600, but because of the 50% discount, I'm going to be paying 3,800. So if you're lucky enough, you might find this discount in your own account. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on subscribe. So let me tap on subscribe right away. Right here is the next step. So what you have to do is to tap on where you can see subscribe and pay. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. Then right here is the next step. It says subscribe to X Premium, and that's the price. So what I have to do now is to scroll down. You can see there you're required to provide some of your information. The first one there is email, so you have to input your email address. The receipt and invoice of your payment is going to be sent to your email. It's going to be sent to you through your email. Then the next one there is payment method, so you have to input your debit or your credit card information. So what you have to do is to get your ATM card, credit or debit. It can be a MasterCard, a Visa card, a Verve card, whichever one that you have. Then you have to fill all of the information, your card details. The first box right there, you're required to input the 16-digit number in front of your ATM card. As you can see right there on the screen, it is being underlined. You have to input that 16-digit right there. The next one there is the expiry date, the month and the year, and you're going to find it in front of your ATM card. You can see it right there being underlined in that ATM card. So the next information you need to get from the ATM card is the CVC number, which is the card verification code, and you can always find that code at the back of the ATM card. It is a 3-digit code. You can see it right there being encircled right there, so you have to input it right there. So the next step to take is to impute the card holder name, the name on the ATM card, credit or debit. So you have to impute the full name, impute it in full, your surname, middle name or first name. So after that, what you have to do is to choose your country or region. So you can see mine is already automatically chosen. Then the next step you have to take now is to decide whether you want to save your information for faster checkout. So if you want to do that, just tick that box right there. By ticking the box, you'll be giving Link the permission to save your card details, so that whenever you want to make your next payment, it will be automatically imputed for you. So guys, that's how it works. If you don't want to tick it, you can leave it that way, but I want to tick it so they can save my information. And also remember, you can save your information on Google as well. So if you don't want to save it with Link, you can save it on Google. So what I'll do now is to go ahead now to input all of this information. Let me start with my email. Let me input my email address. Then let me go ahead now to input the card details. Let me do that real quick. You can see guys, it says here autofill payment info, and right there is my card details. You can see it right there, MasterCard. This is appearing here because I've actually saved my card details to my Google account. So if you have saved your card details to your Google account, it's going to ask you if you want it to be auto-filled for you, if you want it to be filled automatically for you. But if you have not linked your card details to your Google account, this option won't be out. You won't see this option, so you'll be required to input it manually. But I have linked it, that's why you can see it right here. And also, if you want to learn how to add your payment method or your card details to your Google account, I've already made a dedicated video on how to do that. Just go over to the description of this video. You will see the video link right there. Tap on the link, they'll be able to learn and watch how you can be able to add your card details or payment method to your Google account. But what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to tap on continue. So once I tap on continue, it will be filled automatically for me. But if you don't have this option, just go ahead to type it in. So it's that easy. So whichever one will work out fine. So let me go ahead now to tap on continue. Wow guys, you can see my card information has been automatically imputed here, including my name. You can see it. So what is left for me is to decide if I want to tick that box for Link to save my information. You can see the box right there. So what I'll do now is to tick it. You can decide not to tick it, but let me tick it. And right here it says I should input my phone number, so I can just quickly type in my phone number. I just want to show you guys this step. So once you tick that box, you'll be required to input your phone number, and once you do that, your information will be saved with Link. So now the next step now is to tick that box right there written I'm purchasing as a business. So if you're purchasing as a business or maybe for an organization, you can go ahead to tick that box, but I'm not ticking that. So after that, what you have to do now is to go ahead now to tap on where you can see subscribe. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see the X Premium subscription has been successful. You can see it right there marked good. So what I will do now is to go over to my X or Twitter account. I'll go over to my profile to confirm if this premium has been made active. So let me go back right away. You can see right there it says this is your active subscription. This to confirm that I've activated the premium. You can see it right there. So what I will do now is to go back. Let me go back now to my profile. Right here is the home page of my Twitter account. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on the notification icon. You can see I just received a new notification, so let me tap on it. I believe it's from Twitter. I believe this notification is from Twitter. Wow guys, it's actually from Twitter, and it says your account will be considered for a blue check mark soon. So guys can see it right there. So what I will do now is to go over to my profile to see if I have the blue check mark already. This was sent 2 minutes ago. So let me tap on my profile icon. Wow guys, you can see it right there. That's the blue check mark. You can see it right there. It has been ticked. This is to confirm that I have successfully subscribed to X Premium. So you can, and that's one of the feature, which is the blue check mark. So let me go over to my profile to see to show you guys more confirmation. Let me tap on premium. Wow guys, you can see what's written there. It says you are verified. So guys can see it right there. This is so amazing. So guys, this is simply how you can be able to subscribe to the X Premium on your mobile device, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.